Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing part 3 of build a simple flow trailhead project. So if you've been following along, this is the third video. If you just jumping into this, go back and watch video 1 and 2. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week. And let's go ahead and jump into this video. So today is part 3, branch the flow. I've already got the lesson up in the other tab here, and we're going to start working through this. So go ahead and have your flow open and we're going to get going. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and add an element after the find a match get element. And we're going to be adding a decision element in here. And for the label, we're going to call this update or create. And for the new outcome, we're going to make sure that the label says update existing. That's what the Trailhead specifies to put here. A lot of times for me personally, I put yes and no. I like that better, but for the flow or for this project, we need it to pass when we test it here in a bit. So we're going to use their labels. So we're going to leave this as all conditions are met. And we're going to click into our resource here. And you see this update toggle screen component. We're going to select this. And then right here, we're going to select value. And we're going to leave this as equals. And we're going to select the global constant true. And we're going to add one more condition here. And this is going to be contact from find a match. And we're going to change this to is null equals false. And now we need to go ahead and put something in our default outcome here. We're going to change this to create new. And we're going to go ahead and hit done. And that adds our decision element here. And we're going to go ahead and save the flow. Let it save. So let's verify and see if we get our points here. So we're going to verify to earn 100 points. And we earned our 100 points. So we passed this section. And just like in part 2, I want to go ahead and go back and run the debug, even though it doesn't call for it in the Trailhead. I still like to go back and do this. So we're going to use that same contact, Alan Johnson from last time. We're going to hit run. And we're just going to go ahead and hit next and push through. So it looks like it did found the record, and then it found a contact here and it executed. So we ran into no error. So it looks like we are good. Well, part 4 is coming out very soon. So make sure you've subscribed to see that. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today, and I will see you in the next one.